So today we're gonna make a pumpkin-shaped flower arrangement. So the very first thing that I'm gonna need is a block of floral foam. Now I'm just gonna cut this into a square. And I usually just use a regular steak knife to cut the blocks of floral foam. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just cut a circle of black cardstock. Now this is just going to be kind of a base to have the arrangement set on. So once I have a cardstock circle, I'm just going to glue this floral foam right on top of the cardstock. So as you can see, I just have my little block of floral foam and then the cardstock base that I just glued to the block. So the next thing that we'll need to make these floral pumpkins is, of course, some artificial floral. So I have these very neat fall colored orange flowers. So these are what I'm going to use for this pumpkin. So we definitely do not need the stems very long, just enough to poke in to the block of floral foam. And I want to leave enough stem on so I can kind of adjust how far the flowers stick out to make the shape of my arrangement, but I don't want them too long so that they're kind of poking all the way through. So then I'm just going to start poking this into the block of foam. So as you can see, I have the floral going all the way around for the first layer of this pumpkin arrangement. So then I'm going to continue adding the flowers, but as a second layer. And before I add too much more floral, I am going to add the center top piece of the floral arrangement, just so that I know how tall that I want this arrangement to be. And then I'm just going to continue filling in the arrangement with the rest of the floral. So next, I'm just going to go around and kind of shape the pumpkin by pressing in some of the floral a little bit. And because I have a few of these leaf stems left, I am going to add just a few of them in the arrangement as well. So the last thing that we'll do is add a pumpkin top. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and apply a decent amount because I want to make sure that this stays in place. And then I'm just going to poke that on the center there.